The Toyota Landcruiser is an Australian favorite, and with the all-new Landcruiser LC300 finally here, let's cover what makes these off-roading SUVs just so good. Coming in over 6 different trims from the GX, the GXL, VX, Sahara, GR Sport, and the range-topping Sahara ZX like we have here, they feature a 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6 diesel, a 10-speed automatic with a class-leading 4-wheel drive system, seating for up to 7 people, and a towing capacity of over 3.5 tons. The new Landcruiser LC300, she packs a punch. Inside you'll find plenty of room, a great infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and if you want a luxurious feel, this Sahara ZX is fully loaded. Panoramic sunroof, rear seat screens, and plush leather seats. Don't miss out on your new dream Landcruiser. Visit www.cgwa.com.au or come down to the lot in person at 9 Solomon Road, Jandakot.